Welcome to another video. Our goal today in this video is to remove the damaged battery from this HP notebook laptop. Remember, the key to our repair is being careful and patient. Taking apart this laptop is very challenging, so please watch first before doing this job to your machine. Let's get started. Please turn the laptop over and remove all the visible screws from the undercover. Please turn the laptop back over and pinpoint between the back cover and the top lid which secure the keyboard and mouse components. Use a plastic material like a tray to detach the bottom cover from the top lid. Do not use a metal material because it will produce scratches. Remember, do not force any components that is difficult to come off. There might be something that is holding on to it. Usually it might be a screws, so be careful. At first, I thought I have removed all the screws and I was expecting the laptop to come apart, but that was not true. Look under the laptop, there are 4 nuts that look like boot. 2 of these have hidden screw, and that's not the only surprise. I was so confident that I had removed every visible screws on this laptop, but I was wrong. There is still one more screw that need to be removed before the laptop will come apart. And I finally found the last hidden screws. This is so shocking, but I am glad I did not break anything. Now, even though the screws have been removed, there are cables that are attached from the bottom to the keyboard lid. Be careful to detach those cables before completely removing the keyboard cover top. To remove the battery, there are screws that attach the battery to the bottom cover. Remove the screws in the cable which attach the battery to the motherboard, and the battery should come off. I do not have a replacement battery now to put into the laptop, but I hope this video was helpful and thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and share to help others.